नौरा मृत्युंजय टीम की तरफ से पूटा इलेक्शन 2024 के लिए हमारी टीम मैनिफेस्टो रिलीज़ कर रही है। मैनिफेस्टो में हमारी जो पिछले साल की एक्टिविटीज़ रही हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्रेस माई ग्रेटिट्यूड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माई टीम for the support of the community and of course the support of the media that has given us. During all that year we struggled for the cause of the teachers, but our focus in the manifesto, continuing with the activities this year, first of all our main aim is to get the money of the areas to be released. For all year we struggle a lot with the support of the administration. The letter which in June 2023 was a shocker for us, that the central government has categorically refused to enhance the grant of the Punjab University. But with the support of the Vice Chancellor, UGC Chairman and our Honorable Chancellor Shri Jagdeep Dhankar ji, we were able to get the enhanced grant in the February with the arduous effort of at all levels. Not only the annual enhancement grant, but 175 crore as arrears was also committed by the government. But now there is a lot of confusion that the arrears is stuck, but we assure you that the money is going to be released very soon. President and Secretary both visited the Ministry of Education as well as UGC multiple times along with the administration, and we are very certain that the money will be released as committed by the government. In continuation, our routine promotions of the teachers, caste promotions, the record number of promotion took place in last year. More than 200 promotions were done, and many of the teachers get the benefit of 2 promotion in a single year. That is creditable, and we must thank our administration for that. But at the same time, we feel for the caste promotion of the dental faculty that has been pending since long, and I assure those faculty their case is at the advanced stages, and we are very certain their screening will be done, because most of the other things that have been cleared, and through the screening their promotions will be done very soon. And the PhD increment that was part of the 2016 UGC regulations, somehow that has been missed out, and I have advocated as a PUTA president their cause both in the Senate as well as in the Board of Finance. And our Vice Chancellor, we have been meeting with her continuously, and we are hopeful that the resolution will take place. Not very long time should it take, and we are certain that these issues will also be resolved. There are multiple other issues that we are taking up, and like in the housing, the research, academic issues, and we are take them in the focus, and the central pay scale allowances that to some of the members are pending, that we are taking those issues on the priority basis, and this is the main focus of our team, and that we have visualized for this year. And with continuous support of the community, we hope that we will clinch all those issues in a time-bound manner. Thank you very much again for your support.